Mwebale muno mubatera akarune nkwakwa rundi engale zikiraho for God's sake. Mwebale muno once again for the entertainment. Tune Kaije Courts, Kaije Courts, batwaide VIP accommodation. Nambere tukuja ntekeza already na abagenyi barkira basaija abandi habareire. Can't see my want to for investing here to promote tourism. So Kaije Courts, mazile kutereza obukonyezi oburundi obuyambi obu kandi abantu baitu barire kurungi ne basima Kaije Courts right here Kasese Road, a home away from home. You can go and have a good time. Hagati mlitwe twine former mayor wa kanda ya interim mayor wa Fort Portal Tourism City, Reverend Atenyi Muhanga omumoli kandi nkusima nanye nchakalo kuzego mulimo gwa amani muno Jubilee Radio omuhimbo gweka to mention empango coronation anniversary. Atenyi tukutangira muno hona nambero labo ikalire webale kuija kwezo mukolo guno ekitinis. Twine executive director okogere Cultural Foundation ogwa kuzo mulimo gwa amani muno kogere okubanza no kukolakolaniza eby'obuhangwa bwaitu hano kwegesa India nebyendise ebirungi. 2 years ago akalegeko Rubengo no mjeranye no mukama hali kiki bisike msanye no mukama Dr. Yaso Oburo hamna kogere ekiro twesiona yetengeta tukatuleka hata Toro Cultural Center hali muchwa adieri omusumbi kati for that matter webale kuija kandola no musumbi nyomweta phone between me and him to Frederick Nyakabo
Orishabana Timiona ya Sky Television. Nzakwengera kugenda tukuganiraho na nabantu batari bamwe na bamwe abagendeye kutwengera gutubanze kwetegereza ahabwenshi nibatamo bwire bwabo bakabasa kwija aha mukorogu abonshi nibatamu sente zabo bakabasa kwija okuba part yo mukoro ogo kujaguza empango eyo murundi ogwa 2009 okuna nakugambire bari ni bajaguza empango eyo murundi ogwa 2009 empango omukwetegereza okwanje ninjani kimanyisa kwiha obu omukama aza ahantebe akatandika kwebembera obukama obwatoro kuna nakugambire obwakazaho aine emyaka 3 n'echweka kandi akazara 2015 ebyo kwezi okwakana omwaka wa 1992 ekirikoreka ngo hatiya yayongera kukura yayongera kumanya engoma ahiyajerire ahakwebembera obukama bwatoro akaba ina abantu abene bamuyambaho abo kugira ngo akakiriho mwana muto wanyimeye kuza ombijere ebyishe owa humwire. Umukoro ogu nigubaho buri mwaka aiba kwani bajaguza ebinte bikozerwe omukama bwatoro nana kusimarhanga ahabwe myaka eyi omukama ariko bayisa ari ahantebe erizoba omujenyo mukuru nategatekwa ko bari ho mukwezi wa speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa niwe bategerize kugira nkara ikaha omukoro gubase ko yinjira kugenda omisho abajenya bandi baherize kwikaha omukoro guri nguza kutandika okuna nakugambire abantu batari bamwe na bamwe na mnongabo abari kwani bakwata ahabyo kwakira omukama nabo baherize kutera lines okugira ngo babase okumuleta nyanda ko kuganiraho na nabantu habahika aha mukorogu okugira ngo nabo batugambire ekikwatine na no mukorogu ahamwe na no bwire obari kutamu Chira aha Sky Television kandi nyena ngo abantu abakureba Sky TV oba ogire icyo wabagambira ikikwatena n'umukoro ogwizoberi ni wahabwe nci wajotenanye kante mu amani ganje mbase kwegita aha mukama wa Toro nakwakira
ebare munonga nyenda kwebaza Sky TV n'abantu mwena abari kutureba uko kandi n'ababasa kwijaha 29th anniversary ya Toro Kingdom erizoba nizoba rukuru especially history ya Toro Kingdom kandi nanye natamu amani gukureba ngo neja na celebrating n'abantu ba Toro bona in particular Fort Portal City Northern Division ninyenda kutwara omugishogu okurecognizinga omurumo Kingdom ogwekozire specifically King Oyo His Majesty abumurumo gwakozire especially ahakutaho entebekanisa okurwana sobworo ninga no kwegesa abantu okukora hamwe no kukuratira programs za government. President Yoweri Museveni hati na tero muranga gwamani okureba abantu kubakubasa gukora value addition ombinte bari kwinga mbinte bakora. So as we speak now King nuwo mumbantu abahurire ehuriro ya President Yoweri Museveni hamwe na government okureba ngo yayongera omutindo aha bintu abo kwa ine demonstration farm aha kutware minyeto ekashoma okuba kubasa gukora umwanya muke bukunga bakakora cyangwa so nkizo bankeri ruwase kugira ngo tuwe na celebrate nge nk'abanya Uganda nk'abantu ba Toro nabo n'izindi Kingdom ecya kabiri no kumanya ngo government ahabu burungi bwa NRM government obu yaretsere kuri recognizinga cultural institutions so tuyinesho ngabo nki tushemeye kubantu celebrating izoberi kandi nishaba ngo aba bako barikiriyo kubona bayije celebrating ire hamwe izoberi ya 29th anniversary muri Toro Kingdom
mwebale mnonga kandi okuyashoborora obukamani bugezo mnonga kugira ngo base kurwanisa oboro no kugendera ahamuranga ogwa President Museveni mwene twena ngutwendeze izo barungi kandi twendeze na nemikoro mirungi mwebale no gamba na Sky TV so ogwe okuyashoborora obukama bugerizo mnonga kugira ekibwayongera gukora aha kugira ngo bwarwanisa oboro ninyenda kwakira omnyishenjero ori kurugaho mu district ya Chegegwa nawe tubase kuganiraho nawe kugira ngo tubase kureba we nko mwebembezi obukama hine ekibwongireho hine kibubayambireho aha kubasa gukora emirimo yabo nyenda ngo mwakire tubase kuganiraho nawe agire eki yatugambira ekikwatena no mukorogu kandi nawabwe nti yajatinanye dekanye yimukiremu mbase kwika aha mukorogu honorable nakwakira Sky Television kandi nyenda ngo abantu abakutureba batakumanyaho base kubeyanjirira nabwanyuma tugambire omukoro nkogu ahabwenchi bukwimukiramu mukajango nikwereka twikeho tubase kujaguzana no mukama
actually omukoro nkaguno semereye kutunga empako nayo utaruga kuno taine empako
waza kujimpereza
empako kujikwereza erimirwa kandi emirwa ejina kone kurwa abakuru banu owekitiniso gwe nakutwara bakakubukara emirundi esatu bakagambira empako ite empako nyakwikire enungeri abole abokwa babole bekara semerirwe
so ninye aboli
abunza abantu amabara niraka ninyowe Tom Bright Amoti member of parliament habwachaka Central Chegegwa district o member wa NRM nyenda kutwara mukisa kusima aba Sky TV kura ngunanyo mujumbire mu mweja mwabanaitwe omukcelebratinga empango ya 29 nyowe nka Tom Bright Amoti nkaherezaho kama bunu nka Minister of Foreign Affairs and Inter-Kingdom Corporations kumale myaka nka 8 so ekyo nkyoleka nti ninkwatwa kuba hano kandi kyonge nkinkwata kuba mutoro nkinkwata no gonza abantu no kumanya nti culture yaitu niko kamanyikirizo kaitu so nkura ba Sky TV mwizirano kwata binyakule hano nkyoleka nti muteremo kitisa nka abantu ba Toro twina kwasima no kubagonza no kuba watchingaga aba program zanyu enonge nyenda kumanyisa nti omukama wetu wa Toro agereze okora buli kimo kyone kikusoboka na muno kufulfillinga government programs 4-acre model za President Museveni za kwikana na gambira abantu no President Bulkaire na gambira abantu 4-acre model omukama aina 4-acre model project already likagorogoro chenjojo nejoleka nti akwenda genda kulola nkokoso kulima omwani ebitoke okutunga na buli kimo kyona amazire kubikora abatere mu bikoro oyiro kirukwetagwa kwaitu no kwegomba nti ebintu nke bike buli isaza hata eri ya mwenge na cyaka naye tunge na bunyangabo etunge na ntoroke etunge nuko obukama bwe abantu basole kuburora hayi oyiro no kungira kusaba abanyoro barukira basajja gukora omunimo gw'amani muno kugira ngo abantu bamanya ekiro ky'empango ebirwe bikuru mu bukama nibeha na muno kwegesa abana abato mu masomero. Culture is very important. Omuntu kumanya culture ye kikuru muno. For example, itwe nkabatoro twine pako. Ato omuntu nora mcho mwana aganyowe sibimanyi. Habwaki omwana atamangwa empako yanga amoti. Wadi nimba zo Ruganda, nimba zo Rujungu, baitu ni mutoro. Nyowe abana abange pako zona bazimanyi kandi bazigonza. Baitu nyenda kusima abantu abaizire, nyenda kusima abanyamakuru, because you have made us now to be proud and to be known by the whole world. Abokwa buli muntu wena sazi na arora ngo mazimaku toro ne jaguza emyaka 29. Nyenda kusima tena ogarukira. Munkirize sime management na staff aba Sky TV. Kurango mazimaku the directors bagamba nangwa mugende mu bantu batoro. Manyira abatoro tukwatampora kana abatoro turwanira ibyo kuri. Abatoro imitu tukwatampora. Beto okro muntu yakugonza naye wo mugonza kirao. Nimba sima mwebale muno kandi sima the presenter webale kuzoka kurongi. Mukama walindi.
Webale mnonga tuendezo mukoro muronzi. So ogoni omunyishenjero owachaka erikushango mu district eyachegegwa kandi okuyashoborora nibantu besimisa kushanga ngo izoba nkeri hariho ebintu bingi ebikozirwe okugira ngo habasa kubaho entunguka omwanyo nakwakira aha Sky Television igira hani So ogu ouna yachira naruga omwitendekero area Pentecostal University kandi nyenangu tuganireho nawe we omukureba kwe obukama bushakire buta eshonga zebyo bwe nakwakira we bare no kurebekaje
bare bambi we bare kusima mazina esa pelusi ntambeki mawitu ni Uganda Pentecostal University was founded by the Now I took over from him as a vice. With the Kingdom of Toro, and on this note, we'd like to congratulate our King for the 29th anniversary of Mpango. Uganda Pentecostal University is a partner with the Toro Kingdom. Is a partner with the Toro Kingdom. Our headquarters are housed at Muchwa, which belongs to the Kingdom of Toro. We congratulate the King, and we thank them for hosting us, and we do a lot of things with him by nurturing the young people in education. We also have joined his HIV initiative to prevent and mitigate the impact of HIV and AIDS. Now, we are very, very excited being here today, and long
mukorogo ogokujaguza empango eyo murundi ogwabere na mwenda nga Pentecostal kwentu bendeze birungi aba Sky TV
webare mnonga kutwachira
kale webale mnonga ogo unaningania nawe niwe vice chancellor witendekero area Pentecostal University kandi okuyashoborera boni bakwatanisa mnonga na nobu kama obwatoro na mnonga omushajika programs eza government okushajika programs obukama ezikwatirine na nokushomesa abo kama bine programs tari zimwe na zimwe ezikwatena nokushomesa abana na mnonga the girl child kandi yagira ngo boni bakwatanisa okureba ngo babasa okubabasa kukwatagana kugira ngo ebintu bigende kurungi omumisho nyena nyachireho ondijo nawe tuganireho kugira ngo tubase kweyongera okumanya obukuru bwo mukorogo nakwakira aha Sky Television kandi we omukureba tugambire aha mukoro na no
mwene kati aradha mwene
amabara niraka nyoka mukama Davis empaka arali kandi omukorasi habwisaza lya bunyangabo kiro kino twino mukoro mukoto muno tujaguze empango yo mukama oyo nyimba kabambi guru kidi wakana dokita insect kujakira kayo akambanze mutabaruche hangiriza gutamba hangiriza mwebingwa hangiriza mukumamfuzi hangiriza ntali ya toro kiro kino kirochye kandi twina amasemero mengi korango tuchalinda umusingi rundi culture ya toro korango tujaguza murujunge bese coronation rundi empango bantu bengi muno barugire kuruga heru ya mahanga nsonda ni nsonda kurango beija hamukoro guno gukorora ngo empango tigimaliza kurungi
baba Munonga inanye nangu ogire
batangire nywena mwebale kuija kujaguza
King oyo ariyo nakora imwe ebimukurani mu mwesimisa na Munonga bikwatena n'entungu
omukama waitu King oyo doctor bintu bingi mune byakozere mu Toro region kandi omukama ekyo kubanza ateyeho orutindo on the social economic transformation kurora yemiche ntasha y'abantu kurana abasomesa kurora ngo nibikora nisanka abantu ekindo kinde cya kabiri arwanisize umunywerero silimu kurora ngo nagugara ha kuranga ko kachatambura speed ko katamburaga abantu abakene bageze bakendera habwo kusomesa kwa King oyo ndo mukama rukira baseja oyo nyimba kabambi gorukidi wakana
bale Munonga nyenda kusima kugambo na Sky Television kanyenda ngutwendeze izoba rirungi mbwenu ninyendangu eshaheji nkutware obase kureba uko mukoro guriyo niguza kutandika abokuba enyuma yanje procession eyo kwakira omukama niho erabeneretwa echo rakore otarugaho aha Sky Television ndi Adera Orishaba kandi omukoro gunza kwantugoreka gona mbwenu nkiriza edakikeji base kutwara obase kureba uko bariyo nibakira omukama no kwa reno baza kumuleta
otarubatera hamukaito kira basejo omukama
kugenda omisho otaruga Sky Television orebe ngo wabasa okugumaho
mutaija
amagato agarukira abaseija omukanga wigi
tukole line aha
let's make one cue amagato agarukira abaseija tindi kuongera kukiranga ningira nkirangire kirukumara
naba masaza tyakomeye
naba masaza banyorobo mukama ndangira abanyorobo mukama aba masaza abisazi abakurasi ngambo handekoa obundu kuranga nti abanyorobo mukama
kaboneke nzaire
bijakora enkara ibiri har mugabante rukunu na kunu. Let's make it as straight as we can try to make it. Nuko biri biti kandi nuko biri biti mukama ahangirize
buri hebere yawe emirimo yaitu neyabalica yona eri eitaka lyawe omukama kwaitu kaniwaku ihunde ensibiko yaitu kaniwaku ihunde endimiro yaitu kaniwaku ihunde nyaburungi bulisa endiro yaitu kaniwaku ihunde nyaburungi bulisa ibere byaitu kaniwaku ihunde mawo muhangi mali akakubunda olikura nyaburungi bulisa
Mpora mpora umunyabyoma. Mpora mpora.
Okay. Abakondere ni saba mgende mtere line hali. Ni saba abamakondere.
Leka tuhure hongana kake.
Abamakondere katuhure hongana kake.
Leka balemeze kabanza balemeze.
Mutyo muna abamakondere.
Mutyo muna.
Ntubasaba kugenda kutangira rukira abaseija naletwa hali.
Naletwa hano.
Aha, na weki. Tubasaba mukaito mugende mukolo gwanyu hali.
Abe mukaito. Abe mukaito muije. Inyo abantu tubanze twikale mbere tulya.
Tubasaba tuirehe nyuma kataito. Tuirehe nyuma kataito.
Abe mukaito.
Tusaba tuirehe nyuma kataito abanyorobo mukama.
Obwana obutaito bumubunyirize nyuma. Obwentebe ziri mu muhanda obu. Aho. Leka buli muntu ikale imbere ali. Abe mkaito mgeni mjali.
kwegomba kwange kulika ku bantu irahe nyuma nuko nabandi bakatungaho umwanya abanyorobo mukama bemerire nyuma twegarishiyeho kataito nuko abanyorobo mukama abandi nabo bagiye mu rukara insaba tuirehe nyuma kataito omutasorora nisaba tuirehe nyuma kataito tuyongere tuirehe nyuma kataito mutyo muno nisaba tuirehe nyuma bahano nisaba tuirehe nyuma mutyo muno kama abaho mugisa hati muri bo bugabe ninja kusaba abahanu mwirehe nyuma kataito team ya Uganda Pentecostal University please nisaba can you ninja kusaba abanyakwina kamera za masimu ugikozeseze imberoli please don't take a step maiso kandi abarukore byo kwerinda bakagira nko kubakutalabaniza selector, can you start that song over again? Hawa abanyorobo mukama kuoleka ngo basemerirwe kandi bayinama ibano go kutangira rukira abaseijo mukama atarukushobora vibe y'abanyorobo mukama agaruka mu ntebe obuguru sterindwara busa hutyo tibwobu tio mzira nkorozeri yabo mukaito nibakora umurimo gwabo kurungi muno araba inesimu oikale mberoli make sure you don't cross karabuli kamwasambage kanzo abanyorobo mukama utyo tibwo owa kamera ndora abanyorobo mukama abo salt na abandi TV zone nuru abanyorobo mukama basambe kanzo kira baseijo mukama asimbira kikali kandi abanyamirwa betekanize hano kumutangira kabonekenzei hawawe guruliera
kaboneko mwebingwa tuli bawe Zaire otusangira kutamba
tuli bawe
hangirizo mwebingwa
tuli bawe mwebingwa
tuli bawe iguru lyera
tuli bawe iguru lyera hawawe kasura banyunya
tuli bawe wamara iteka
tuli bawe msakazi atanaganjura
otusangira
tuli bawe ntale ya karuzika
otusangira mwebingwa
otusangire tuli kino babemi
otusangira iguru lyera ko wenzaire
otusangire iguru lyera
otusangire Zaire
awawa kutamba
hakyaro Nyamunyaka
tuli bawe Nzaire tuli bawe kasura banyunya
Nyamunyaka
tuli
Nzaire
bawe msakazi atanaganjura
tuli bawe
tuli bawe ntale ya karuzika
otusangira iguru lyera
awawe Nzaire
otusangira kutamba
otusangire iguru lyera
hakyaro Nyamunyaka
awawe Nzaire
hakyaro Nyamunyaka uhangirizo mwebingwa
hangirizo kasura
hangirizo
banyunya
wamara
hangirizo mukumamfuzi
hangirizo musakazi atanaganjura
hangirizo iguru lyera
tuli bawe Nzaire
tuli bawe kutamba
dabahu abe mkaito mwangushe
tuli bawe Nzaire
tuli bawe
tuli bawe chebambe
hangiriza kutamba
abe bisani muleke kurubata mkaito
yibuza butyo
gentlemen don't step
aba kamera mtuleke
the camera team do not cross and step where you are not supposed to step
tuli bawe wamara
otusangire Nzaire
otusangira
otusangira
mwebingwa
kutamba otusangire kasura banyunya
otusange Nzaire
abawe iguru lyera
otusangira kutamba tuli bawe Nzaire
the camera team be careful where you step
duma
awawe Nzaire
duma
otusangire iguru lyera
duma
otusangire iguru lyera
wewe wa kamera tuli bawe Nzaire tuli bawe mwebingwa tuli bawe wamara
tuli bawe iguru lyera tuli bawe mwebingwa
tuli bawe
awawe Nzaire
tuli bawe musakazi atanaganjura hangiriza kutamba
tuli bawe kasura banyunya
hangiriza iguru lyera hawawa kutamba tuli bawe Nzaire hamusango mwebingwa hamusanga wamara kasoro bahiga tuli bawe mwebingwa omusenda mainaro yibuza butyo owakie bambe owanyayika
omubyema kutamba
owarukidi
omubyema iguru lyera
tole yezire tuli bawe tata tuli bawe Nzaire abe byoma mutukezeho DJ tuli bawe Nzaire
nsaba
otusangira kutamba tuli bawe amara tuli bawe mwebingwa tuli bawe kasura banyunya tuli bawe musakazi atanaganjura tuli bawe mwebingwa tuli bawe otusangire Nzaire hamusanga
selector Talent Africa Wektinisa Zebedayo. Wektinisa Zebedayo.
Reka tulemeza akiki, reka tulemeza.
Okay.
Hamsange Zaire.
Okay. Okay. Ninja kusaba selector Talent Africa otwe anthems, hanyuma ya anthems tujja kutunga kusaba, hanyuma yo kusaba turaranga entekaniza koku ziraba nihonderangana. Way to anthem.
Afrika Mashariki, tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tulilinde, tuajibike, tuimarike. Umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu.
Kusaba
leka tusobole ko bundazi maiso ga mukama tusabe nitujja kusaba omulujungu abakuba tuyineho n'abajungu. Precious Father, we lift up much higher than anything else on planet Earth, for you're the Lord of Lords, you're the King of Kings, you're the Lord of all. In everything that we do, you're supposed to be magnified. And upon this 29th coronation of King Oyo, we lift you higher and we magnify you. We thank you for allowing us to have this day, as colorful as it is, and we command a blessing. We ask you for the control of the weather and life to continue as we bless you, worship you, and we prosper. We speak healing to those that are sick, and we command restoration to those that are bruised, that thy name may be greatly glorified. I pray this all in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. And everybody say, Amen.
Hawawe Zaire. Singa gutamba.
Singa gutamba.
Simba mwebingu.
Konyero ntware.
Tuliba wama.
Nisaba abanyoro bo mukami twena twagire turamye ko tugaruko mbikaro byeitu.
Tuije turamye mudakika twire mabone gumkama abanyamirwa hasigale habaduma bonka kakikakana tuliba wamara tuliba mwebingu tuliba wakutanga tuliba tulikina barabeni mpora abandi barugeyo kandi
admin
mpora nogaruka cyenyuma utaterayo umugongo ukakunamira umusanga reka tugiyeyo bake abandi bagaruke atyo
hawawe Nzaire hawawe Guruliyera
bona basemerirwa muno omuyimbo gwo kubayita atyo otyo aro timu yabakada kamanyire na ngamba hano mulaha mwirahi mwangushe bwangu tuliba Nzaire tuliba wamara obwire bwo kuramya bunu dakikemo twamarira yabakazi nabo mbandeka bahikaho mabona gumkama abakazi mwanguheyo abo nabo banyoro barukira abasaija hangiriza gutamba tuliba Nzaire abo banyoro barukira abasaija mukama hangiriza gutamba hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza Guruliyera omujweranye n'omukama akiki ogundagunde akiki musuga omujwera ogundagunde habwanye naitwe Toro tuliba Nzaire awekitinisa akiki omunyoro warukira abasaija mukama
ninsaba hano twireho harubaju Kateito
twire harubaju abato
my lord the bishop you're most welcome hano ninsaba abanyamirwa mumpe hakanya ninsaba abanyamirwa abateina bikwatwa twirehe nyuma ninsaba abanyamirwa abateina bikwatwa twirehe nyuma abantu bamukama twireho mutyo muno hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza Guruliyera hangiriza omusakazi atanaganjura imyenda yatoli nywena tuli hano kujaguza empango y'omurundi gwa 2009. We are here to join His Majesty as he celebrates his 29th coronation anniversary. But there is one special person that I will request all of you to join me and give a standing ovation in appreciating her efforts that we can now celebrate the 29th coronation anniversary with our King, His Majesty Dr. Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi IV. And that is Omujwera, the Queen Mother, Best Kemigisa Akiki. Nisaba tuemere tusime nyino mukama. Tumutero mungale zamani. Let's give the Queen Mother standing ovation.
Olemere hakiki.
Akiki, we thank you for all your efforts to make His Majesty who he is. Tukusima munakiki. Agutamba tuina abagenyi ninja kubasa ninchwaho bake nindangaho bake abasoboyire kweteranizaho kiro kinu obutukujaguza empango yawo y'omurundi gwa 2009. Tuina Isaac Kigozi Trade and Investment ogutuli nawe hanu. Tuina Superintendent SP Amos Nwe Hereza Officer in Charge Fort Portal Main Prison. Helen Bawaya Akiki Officer in Charge Fort Portal Women Prison. Tuina Principal Officer Taiso Andrew Intelligence Officer Prisons, Christine Kanda, Ogu aine kitekerezo maisoku, Director Royal Guard, Kano E.H. Tahunga is also with us. Tuina USA delegation, tuina CEO Olivia Alneyo Hanu, tuina CEO Christian Park, Dutch Korea, Nawad Hanu, tuina business developer manager Charles Pascom, nawe tulinawe, Anet Kobusinga Tuoki, Bunyoro Toro Junction, nawe tulinawe. Gutamba tuina Mr. Andrew Tusubira, Regional Commercial Head, MTN Uganda. Tuina Ebo Mwesije, Regional Business Manager, Western Region. Tuina Honorable Alex Ruhunda, Member of Parliament for Porto Tourism City, and Director Daj. Tuina na Francis Lubega, General Manager wa Daj. Tuina Manume John, Head of Security, Mountains of the Moon University, and former Vice Chairperson, Bunyangabo District. Tuina former Mayor, Reverend Kintwile Mhanga. Tuina Andrew Adieri Kilozo, nawe tulinawa hanu. Tuina omukuru, kurugambio kwerinda, Janet Aine, Deputy Director General, habwa ESO, Rundi External Security Organization. Tuina Rashid Kiyimba, Director Uganda Tourism Board. Tuina Naron Kawamara, Vice Chair Uganda Tourism Board. Tuina Kaija James, Executive Director Kai Group of Companies. Tuina former Deputy Prime Minister Tinka Stephen Amoti. Kandi tuina radio stations na TVs nyingi zinikuja kuba ni kumanyisa agutamba. Tuina Kano Godfrey Chomhendo for Division Commander. Tuina Senior Superintendent of Prisons Hashaka Samson, Deputy Regional Prisons Commander Western Region. Tuina Major Benon, Mountains of the Moon Political Commissar. Tuina Major Adons Kamukama, Deputy Regimental Commander, 47th Artillery Regiment. Tuina Major Sali, Commanding Officer, 16th Infantry Battalion, Muhoti. Tuina Omnyoro Isingoma Kusemererwa, Nomchiarawe, Head of Liaison in DRC, Goma. Tuina Centenary Bank Team, Namugenyi Mary, Nandera Grace, na Bwetware Francis. Agutamba for now, abo nubona sobora to recognize their presence, abandi ninja kuba ni nyongeraho.
Bona bawenzaire.
Tuli bawenzaire. Hangirizo mkumanfuzi. Selector mpahoga some backup nuko sobole kubantu ongeraho ekintu kindi.
Tuli bawo mwebingwa. Tuli bawo amara. Tuli bawo msakazi atanaganjura. Tuli bawenzaire. Tuli bawo msakazi atanaganjura. Tuli bawo ibuza bujyo. Tuli bawo amara. Tuli bawo mwebingu. Enzaire abantu bona batoire kandi ekitinisa kya toro kiloho tulibawo mwebingwa tulibawo msakazi atanaganjura bigere bisaga mu muhanda tulibawo mwebingwa antusara anturumika bwangu habo bwire agutamba mukasumikano ikiriza nsabe His Excellency Neil Holder to step forward and introduce the team and give your brief remarks. Thank you so much. Tulibawo nzaire bonna bawenzaire eri isaza lyaitu ogo wisaza ogupaka ogo ogo wisaza.
Your Royal Majesty, Her Royal Majesty, Queen Bess, the Queen Mother, Honorable Prime Minister, the Parliament of Toro Kingdom, distinguished ambassadors, other dignitaries, specially invited guests, the people of Toro. I am His Excellency, Dr. Neil Holder, the Special Envoy to His Royal Majesty for International Affairs. I have the pleasure today, Your Majesty, to introduce your guests, amongst them being your Special Envoy to the U.S., to the people of Toro. Your Majesty, I am happy to introduce His Excellency, Ambassador Dr. Brian Bolt, from the City Reach Church, along with his entire delegation. Ambassador Bolt, please stand. Kindly join me. Would the City Reach Church delegation please stand? Your Majesty, Her Majesty, I invite your Special Envoy to give a brief remark.
Your Majesty, it's such a blessing to be here. We are grateful and thankful that God has raised up a king that loves Jesus and that loves the Lord. We're grateful and thankful for the Queen Mother and everything you do for the Toro Kingdom. And you are a great world leader, and we are so excited to be here to support the vision of Toro, to see people lifted up, and to see Jesus Christ lifted up. We have your back. We support you. We care so much for you. And we are excited for the next few days, and especially on Sunday for the crusade. We believe many people will give their lives to Jesus Christ, and we'll see miracles, signs, and wonders for the glory of God. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Majesty, permit me and Her Majesty to invite His Excellency Ambassador Keith Smith from the Tabernacle of Praise Church in Texas. Ambassador. Brief remarks.
His Royal Majesty, King Oyo, Her Royal Majesty, Queen Mother Bess, it is our extreme honor and privilege to be a part of this great celebration of your 29th year reigning as king. I thank God for His mercies and grace upon you all, upon the Toro Kingdom. I pray that God's continued favor and prosperity upon your reigning, and that your legacy will continue in unity. May God richly bless you. It's our honor to be here from the state of Texas and Tabernacle of Praise. We love and appreciate you all in all of Toro Kingdom. May God bless you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Royal Majesties, I would like to acknowledge the presence of His Excellency Ambassador Holland. Could you please stand, Ambassador? Thank you, Ambassador. Your Majesties, please permit me to invite someone who is not a guest of Toro, but now a very stable and staple part of Toro Kingdom every year, Dr. Iyanka Rodriguez, to stand. Your Excellency. Thank you. Your Majesties, from the United Kingdom, I invite Reverend Carr to stand to be acknowledged. Reverend Carr, where are you? There he is, Your Majesties. Reverend Carr, could you please make your way here?
And a joy to be here on this special occasion. And I greet you on behalf of my pastor, Julian Richards and Sarah, and on behalf of MCWE and Living Hope Ministries. Thank you for the work that you are doing, for your vision, your youth, and your
Thank you. Your Majesty, I have two special guests. They're very familiar to yourself, Your Majesty, but not to the kingdom. This is their first time. I invite Pastor Clement, David, and Cindy. Could you please stand to be acknowledged? Thank you so much for loving His Royal Majesty, Her Majesty, and Toro Kingdom. Your Majesty, we have another special visitor today from Kenya Knowledge. God bless you. Thank you. Your Majesty and Her Majesty, I have the pleasure of also introducing to Toro Kingdom a couple that is very familiar to yourself and Her Majesty. I ask Pastors Gina and Jimmy York to come forward. Could you please join us here? Came their way to speak to His Majesty. I would like to inform you that they're both coming from the state of Georgia in the United States. Pastors York, the microphone is yours.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. Good afternoon, Queen Mother. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your very special day. We congratulate you. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of the Toru Kingdom in helping your vision come to pass. May the Lord bless you and keep you and make His face shine upon you all the days of your life.
Your Majesty, Queen Mother, thank you so much for showing your grace to us today and allowing us to come and speak before you. We pray the blessings upon the Lord upon you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. At this time, I would like to ask all United Nations peace ambassadors who are with us to stand to be acknowledged. All excellencies and your association with the Kingdom of Toro through His Royal Majesty, the King, and Her Royal Majesty, the Queen, our Queen Mother. I also want to acknowledge the pastoral delegation of King's Palace Church while I'm here. Could you please stand? Those of King's Palace Church from Kampala. Thank you. Your Majesty, I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge Bishop Dr. Moses and the pastors of Fort Portal at this time, those who are engaged in bringing your royal crusade to fruition. Could you please stand, pastors? Thank you very much. Your Majesties, I bring greetings from my mom, who was here yesterday, but she's a bit unwell today. But I bring you her greetings and special blessings. I'm obliged, Your Majesties.
hangiriza gutamba, hangiriza omwebingwa, hangiriza iguru lyera, hangiriza kituli kinobera abemi bona bawe nzaire bawe wamara bawe omusakazi atanaganjura tuli bawe nzaire.
Agutamba empango ya 29 ebeire empango yembaganiza muno kantusima mukama ruhanga kujifora yembaganiza mulingo guno otungira abagenyi baingi kandi kisemerire ngu omanye baro. Agutamba nyina listi nja kulengaho kusoma ninda kyao. Tuina Madam Monica Karungi RDC Kyegegwa District ogu akozera omulimo mwingi kandi omukoto habukama watoro. Tuina Father Bernard Bitekerezo Parish Priest Butiti Parish. Tuina Bishop Kyaligonza Sebastian Christ Bible Church na Tete Kampala. Tuina Pastor Florence Kyaligonza na Tete Kampala. Tuina Father Isabrie Emmanuel Kruga Kyarusozi Catholic Parish. Tuina Victor Atuhura Rali Catholic Diocese of Broken Australia care of Butiti Parish. Tuina Bumali Tubale Lindi weitu handikire kundi na Kruga Kyegegwa Town Council. Tuina Assistant IGP Uganda Police Force omwibara lya IGP omukuru Bamunoba Ubaldo alineito hanu. Tuina RPC omukuru Bwire Joab SSP. Tuina Deputy RPC Ninsima Godfrey SSP. Tuina SP Kisubi Henry ogu DPC CPS. Tuina OCCID Nachibad Harriet nawe tulinawa hanu. Tuina the PRO omukuru Vincent habwa Uganda Police Force Rwenzori West. Tuina the Vice Chancellor Uganda Pentecostal University Professor Pelusi Ntambirweki nawe tulinawa hanu. Tuina Judith Mukidi Woman Representative Patriotic League of Uganda representing omukuru Michael Nwagaba Toyota. Tuina Professor Edmond Kagambe representing the Vice Chancellor Mountains of the Moon University. Tuina Mrs. Rosalind Sally Dean of Students Mountains of the Moon University naba members of Mountains of the Moon University nabo tulinabo hanu. Tuina obukwenda kuruga hali Honorable Mama Wabana State Minister for Local Government Honorable Victoria Businge Rusoke Atwoki na yetonda ngutasobeire kubaho habwokuba agenzere kuzika kisoro omaka gabanyubo mukago abayira batasobora kubura kutabaho. Tuina Uganda Tourism Board staff Uganda Tourism Board staff and Board of Directors tulinabo hanu. Tuina Uganda Wildlife Authority Kibale National Conservation Area Chief Warden tulinawa hanu. Tuina Honorable Alex Ruhunda MP Fort Portal Tourism City. Tuina Honorable Linda Irene MP Woman MP Fort Portal Tourism City. Tuina Honorable Stella Kemgabu Deputy Speaker Kabarole District. Tuina Honorable Kabajwara Margaret Secretary for Gender and Tourism Fort Portal City. Tuina Honorable Tomu Bright Kruga Omkyegegwa tulinawa hanu. Tuina Businge Emmanuel Deputy RCC Fort Portal Central. Tuina Ariho Moses Deputy RCC Fort Portal North Division. Tuina SSP Ninsima Godfrey Deputy RPC Rwenzori West. Tuina Brigadier General Mbaine Julius Assistant Chief of Defense Intelligence and Security CI nawe tuli nawe hano habwa hati kambe ngarukiraho nyete orubazo rundi nuko recognitions ziragumizamu mpora ko kumukimanya ngu nindenga ukora cyone kirikusoboka kurora ni manyisa rukira abaseijo mukama ngo mukitinisa cyawe iwanya kwehereye kwija kujaguza nawe oroho ninja kuguma ninchwaho bake baitu nebindi nibigenda mu maiso
tamba hangirizo mwebingwa hangiriza wamara hangiriza tulikinobera bim tulibawe nzaire tulibawe mwebingwa
inu empango agutambe bayire empango yembaganiza habo kuba abali hano bayingi kandi bona ninja kora cyone kirikusoboka mbasomo manye ngo baro twina abana bengoma ababito n'ababito kati twina nyino mukama wempeka
mirembe
Patrick wa Marakiki and former RDC twina presidential advisor
ahangiriza kutamba
Misach
ahangiriza mwebingu
Adieri twina the uncles and aunties of His Majesty the King. Please stand up for recognition. The aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King. Let's give them a round of applause.
Tulibawe nzaire.
Ya mukasumi kanu munyikirize no kwebundaza nyete omuhikirwa waitu ubukama bwa Toro Amot Stephen Kiyingi aije asobole kuhayo orubazo nuko hanyuma yeki nabwo ndayongera ndange ebindi ebimpairwa kuranga
hangiriza kutamba hangirizo mwebingwa
hangirizo mwebingwa hangirizo mkumanfuzi agutamba omukama Dr. Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidio Wakana omujwera akiki nyino mukama akiki musuga ba minister kuruga mu government ya hagati abamyoka bange abakurasi mu rukurato rukuru orwihanga wekitinisa Rwigi amagatwa abakuru ba madini abajwara kondo abana bengoma abagenyi baitu abarugire mu bukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara abakuru bebitebe ba district ba RDCs enganjani zaitu kuruga enseri ya mayanja enganjani zaitu kuruga mu bitongole bitali bimu ensinganto emyenda ya Toro inywena nimbara mutya mu ibara eryo muhendo erya Yesu Kristo kandi kunu kutabarukya agutamba rukira abasaija omukama waitu agutamba onyikirize nkutabarukya empango eya 2009 kwiha okujumura engoma yabaswenkuru ntabarukye omujwera akiki nyino mukama akiki nyino mukama abaana b'engoma n'emyenda ya Tooro yoona habw'empanga eno eya 2009 hangiriza agutamba ninyongera kusiima agutamba habw'okwikiriza ijo empango ekatoma na kiro kinu kusinga omubatungwa bawe kandi n'okwinura kutangirira agutamba onyikirize omulingo gw'embaganiza ntangirira omugenyi omukuru ba minisita ba gavumenti n'abakurasi b'orukurata orukuru olw'ihanga abasoboire okuba hanu kiro kino nkimanyire kurungi mucyumba itukire kandi mwayecwamu ebicweka habw'okuferwa mugenzi wanyu ow'ekitinisa Sarah Mateke anyakubaire Minister of State for Defense kandi woman MP wa Kisoro arikusendekerezebwa kaire kanu Nyakabingo Kisoro mukama amuhumuze mirembe agutamba onyikirize nyongere okutangirira n'abagenyi bandi boona abali mu mabone gawe na muno banu abali hagati y'omulitwe
hangiriza agutamba hangiriza omwebingwa
engabwa kuruga mu bukama bwa Buganda Speaker w'orukiiko ow'ekitindisa ali wano simirira
hangiriza enzaire hangiriza omwebingwa
ow'ekitinisa Patrick Luwaga Speaker w'orukiiko lwa Buganda kandi aizire mu ibara lya Prime Minister wa Buganda ow'ekitinisa Peter Charles Mayiga ow'ekitinisa Mariam Mayanja Nkalubo Minister wa Buganda alukujunanizibwa ebintu bya agenda rundi ebyo bulungi bwansi n'abandi ow'ekitinisa Samuel Sempebwa member wa Buganda Lukiiko hamu na okay engabwa kuruga mu bukama bwa Buganda abo mbamazire ba bishop n'abakuru ba madini nywena n'abandi bona abagenyi abanyakurugire enseri ya mayanja na muno America. This is a special invitation for our visitors from the United States of America. You are most welcome for this occasion today, and your being here is a great honor. Engabwa za makampuni n'ebitongole ebya gavumenti n'ebitali bya gavumenti amagatwa ruigi abakurasi n'abamasaza abasaza bawe ensinganto haroho abegi ba university abepakire kuruga Kampala hamu n'emyenda ya Tooro inywena abali hanu kiro kinu kuno kusima agutamba onyikirize nkusime habo buhabuzi bwawe oburungi kutekaniza empango enu kandi ninsima n'omunjwera akiki nyino mukama habo buhabuzi bwawe akiki na byona ebyokozire mu kutekaniza empango enu
ogunda akiki
nyongere nsime ebitongole n'abantu banu habo obukonyezi batuhaire agutamba Ministry of Tourism MTN Microfinance Credit Support Center Uganda Tourism Board Uganda Wildlife Authority Uganda Breweries Centenary Bank Uganda Revenue Authority Uganda Revenue Authority, Uganda National Drug Authority, Move It Products, Chief of Defense Forces, Chieftaincy of Military Intelligence, I think the name has changed these days. Toro Military Group, Toro Parliamentary Group, na muno owekitinisa Atenyi Butime, owekitinisa Kafuzi Jackson Arali, owekitinisa Alex Ruhunda, chairperson wabo, owekitinisa Faith Kunihira, chief whip wabo, owekitinisa Tom Bright.
Tulibawe Nzaire, tulibawe Mwebingwa, tulibawe Wamara.
Sprouts of water nebitongole bindi byona kutamba. Ninyongera kusima magatwa gawe agutamba ba Deputy Prime Minister owekitinisa Ngabo William Kwemara, owekitinisa Abuoli Nyakake na magatwa agandi gona.
Hangiriza gutamba, hangirizo Mwebingwa.
Baitu agutamba ninsaba itwena tusime igwatwa liyawe owekitinisa Beyeza Abuoli Tito na team ya Uganda People's Defense Force UPDF omuwiki emu bajanjabire abantu 137
hangiriza gutamba, hangirizo Mwebingwa, hangiriza Wamara.
Agutamba obukama bwawo bwona baborabiremu bajanjaba batungwa bawe bakaba Kyenjojo Hospital, Kyegegwa Hospital, Rukunyu Hospital, Ntara Health Center 4 Kitagwenda, Kibito Health Center 4, Kalugutu Health Center 4 na Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital. Nitusima Town Clerk Fort Portal City na health officers, director Fort Portal Hospital, DHOs, CAOs, medical superintendents, doctors in charge na abakozi abandi abakwatisanize na timu yeitu kujanjaba abantu abo. Naiwa gutamba kusima ngu hakiro kya mazarwa gawe Butosa habaho surgical camps yo kujanjaba abana abaina obulema kandi hampango habehoga medical camps zo kujanjaba buli muntu. Abamasaza bawe agutamba bakozire kikoto kukunga abantu omumpira gwa masaza omubyo bwomezi na muno medical camp muno medical camp ezhoire baroho hanu mu mabone gawa agutamba nisaba bamasaza mwimuke agutamba abarole omugalisha Kitagwenda, omugalisha Kitagwenda, omuhuchya Kibale, omutayizibwa Kyaka, omuhenda Burashya, omunyaka Bunyangabu,
tulibawe Nzaire,
omukumbya Ntoroko,
muhike
omutalesa Mwenge South,
tulibawe Mwebingwa, muhika Musango mtasorora muramyirukira Wasaija, tulibawe Nzaire,
omuhabura Mwenge North,
tulibawe Nzaire,
no mtasorora Fort Portal City,
tulibawe Wamara.
Sound check. Sawa.
Agutamba ntongera kusima Salt TV, ntusima BBS Telefina, ntusima radio zaitu ezatoro n'abanyamakuru habwoku tukora omulimo omulungi kularanja iraka no kumanyisa abantu empango enu eyo muhende ya 29 agutamba nitusima meya town clerk Fort Portal City habwa tukakoragana nawe habwa clock tower tukekora design nekitongole cha Capital Outdoors bajikiriza kurungi buli muntu weno waizire Fort Portal kiro kinu atangirirwe ntale nkoto muno kandi esaha egi buli saha emu enyenkyakara nesaha musanju hamu nesaha eyo mukairirizi emu nezine ekizina kyobukama bwawe bwa Toro
ahangiriza gutamba ahangirizo mwebingwa
nitusima district local governments habwokoragana nungi n'obukama agutamba kawo bakatusindikira kawo bakatusindikira ba district education officers n'aba inspector twahanura nabo nkoku turamanyisa ensinganto mu masomero kukwatagana n'obukama n'okubegesa engeso n'emirwa yeitu y'obukama bwa Toro bakao bakongera batusindikira ba community development officers nabo twahanura nabo kandi ba CDOs bakayikara mu rukurato rukuru nka ex officials agutamba ntakamalirize ninsaba abantu bano abantu abalizeho kandi bali hagati muri twagutamba omujwara kondo wa Bunyoro Kitara omunyoro Kabagambe Kalisa
za Wamara
ninyongera agutamba mabone gawe twina ayali omuhikirwa ayali mu miyoka wo muhikirwa Tinka Amoti Kaliba Atenyi
Tinka Amoti
Tinka Amoti hamuna Kaliba Atenyi ubaraba baroho bemere
sito mujaguzi hangiriza gutamba hangirizo mwebingwa
kandi mu mulingo gwembaganiza gutamba ni saba kutangi Kibagaya Princess
tulibawe Nzaire tulibawe Mkomanfuzi tulibawo musakanu nokwabutosa obu nituhondera entegeka yawe ya Vision 2045 agutamba ninyeraganiza n'amagato agona n'abamyoka bange n'abamasaza kukora obucweka ihembe kutwara obukama bwawe omu maiso nokwekambisa abatungwa kukora n'amani baruge mubuna habwo kukonyera amaso byolekerwe mu Coronation Magazine etukozere nuko baleke kuhendeka bonka omukukora emirimo yabo agutamba agutamba no buturaba tukeinamu kutalabanizibwa nitwija kukora obukama bwine entashya erukumara nuko busobole kweyemerezaho bwonka tuli mu tourism city Fort Portal nko bukama n'abantu bawe twine kukora abatungwa bawe abali mu Toro n'abali Kampala n'ebicweke ebindi ebiri mu diaspora nibyeyongera kugonza no kujumbira entegeka z'obukama bwawe agutamba hagiriza agutamba hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza Nzaire hangiriza iguru lyera hakyaro
agutamba hangirizo mwebingu hangirizo mkumanfuzi
tuli bawo wamara
hawawe nzeire hawawe kasura banyunyi hawawe msakazi atanaganjura agutambo nyikirize haro abana abato bato hano abarikwenda gira nko kubayoleka kusemererwa kwabo nuko eki okrahwa agutamba nyina list habo kuba basemerirwe kandi berekeseze byona baija bajaguza neiwe kakuba ntabasoma ukamanya ngo baro
nibahaye abojo ngo holigwa niho baligwa olemere agutamba ngo olemere ho mwebingwa ngo bawo wamara bawe kituli kinobera bimi tuli bawo wamara tuli bawo mwebingwa tuli bawo agutamba tuli bawo wamara tuli bawo wamara mpora bisiki mtabaro bati abisiki murabeho mpora mumazire tuli bawo enzaire hangiriza gutamba hangirizo mwebingwa
When kingdoms rose to power, Toro stood tall in Uganda's hour, founded by Kaboyo, a brave and mighty soul, a dynasty born with a story to unfold. Through centuries passed with strife and strife, Toro endured a testament to life. Kings and queens with wisdom and might led their people through day and night. From Omukama Kasagama to Shebambe's reign, palace, a symbol of might, a place of wisdom where culture takes flight. The Batemuzi and the Wachwezi are people of old, with customs and traditions worth more than gold. May Toro's spirit forever stand, a beacon of hope in this land, guiding generations yet to come, a kingdom's legacy forever won. So let us celebrate this beautiful land, with a king who leads with a gentle hand. May Toro's beauty forever shine so bright, a kingdom's splendor where love takes flight. We work, we smile, we work together, we build and create, we make our Toro proud, it's our fate. What makes our people poor? Unemployment. What makes our land poor? Unemployment. What makes our youth poor? Laziness. We work, we smile, we work together hand in hand, in Toro's fields and factories so grand. We plant and harvest, we build and create, we make our Toro proud, it's our fate.
His Highness, King Oyo Nyimba Kabambi Guru Kid IV, the king that I admire most in the whole world. Queen Mother, royal family, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. Today makes a significant milestone in the history of our great king. We gather here to celebrate the 29th coronation of our beloved king, who has sacrificed his life to the service of Toro people. Over the past 29 years, His Majesty has demonstrated our kingdom's leadership, fostering economic growth, promoting cultural heritage, and enhancing the well-being of our citizens. His Majesty, you have been the wind that has blown the clouds of despair, bringing sunshine to our land. But I must say, the journey has not been with its challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, our land is no longer facing pandemics of diseases, but the habits of our people are pandemics too. Like a wild beast, HIV is eating up our land. Question 1. Why should we educate a generation that is going to die of HIV in the meantime? 2. If we are actually pointing fingers, who's responsible? 3. What about sugar daddies and mummies roaming around streets, to steal and confuse our children? Who is responsible? 4. What about us young children learning up in the year 1937, King Rukidi I, who went to meet the ancestors, said, let us build a strong foundation to people. Personally, I admire becoming your children's ambassador. Maybe one of your ministers or even prime ministers one time. Making me a children's ambassador will allow me to teach children about the beauty, culture, and norms of Toro, since they can easily fellow children. I remind Nasasra Jeremiah Sith from 4TV Media Club. Long live our King, long live our kingdom. His Highness, us as Media Club, we beg you to come. We beg you to take a group photo with us. Hangiriza mkama wetu, hangiriza mwebingu, hangiriza kasura banyunyi.
Nikyo kibera ekyanyenkya. Tulibawo mwebingu muhike mu mabone. Muramye nuko mugaruke cyenyuma nyuma mugaruke. Mwebala abatobato. Tulibawo enzaire. Tulibawo mwebingu. Bana bakozira mulimo gw'amani. Nekitini sanya mwingi. Tulibawo amara. Abaiseki bali enyuma batiza amaju. Tulibawo amara. Bana batendekerwa kurungi kalicha.
Okay. Abawe nzaire.
Omukama hangirizi.
Hangirizi iguru lyera. Hangirizo omusakazi atanaganjura. Tamba nkoko nkusabire onyikirize nsobole kusoma abagenyi bawe abekweteranize okujaguza empanga hanu bashemere. Tuina Honorable Kamukama David MP Bunyangabu, tuina Chairperson Kabarole District Aboki Richard Rwabuhinga,